These were the kind of two pillars. Even before that, evidence shows that football began to be played in Guwahati for the first time in 1890s. That is 1897 or something. It is known as Borpul. Now it is kind of playground that is Guwahati Medical College. Okay, in that particular place, that the football that began to be played, and not by the common Indian people, but that was by the tea planters, British soldiers, British officers. That was kind of elite sports in the beginning. But people of Assam, they were not much interested. So why I'm making a comparison is that in case of that is province of Bengal, it was kind of source of nationalism. It is a kind of a tool for colonialism, and it is also a source of this communalism. But in case of Assam, it is completely different. People of Assam, they were not interested to play football. Okay, people of Assam, they were not interested. But gradually, you can see that when the British they began to play 1890s, and see the hub of football in Assam, that was Shillong, and then this one.